Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're spotlighting one of the most empathetic and powerful heroes in the game. Meet Mantis, the Celestial Madonna. With her impressive mental abilities and penchant for plant control, she anchors any team she fights alongside. Mantis taps into a limitless flow of life energy, gently nourishing everything she touches. Let us delve into abilities. Mantis's primary fire ability is called Life Energy Blast. This ability allows her to launch a fast-moving thorn projectile to deal damage. It is not affected by damage fall-off, making it a reliable source of damage at any range. Landing critical hits with this ability instantly generates one life orb. Life Energy Blast, fire an energy thorn and regain one life orb after a critical hit. This ability deals 50 damage per round, has 20 ammos, and a fire rate of 2.5 shots per second. The projectile speed is 150 meters per second, and it can deal critical hits. Mantis's ultimate ability is called Soul Resurgence. This ability envelops Mantis in an aura that provides healing over time and increased movement speed to all allies within the radius around her. The ability lasts for 8 seconds and heals all allies in range for 200 health upon use. If her allies are at full health, 70% of the excess healing is converted into bonus health until the ultimate is over. The overhealing can only give each player up to 100 extra health. Mantis also benefits from the speed boost, healing, and overhealth, making her much harder to take down. Spore Slumber. This ability allows her to lob a projectile that explodes in an area of effect, putting one opponent caught within to sleep. It deals 10 damage and creates an illusion behind her target that can be shot by the enemy team to wake the target up. Enemies hit by the ability will be stunned for 3.5 seconds or until they take damage. Enemies will not wake up if they take damage for the first 0.5 seconds of the stun. Allied Inspiration. This ability allows her to grant a 12% damage boost to her targeted ally for 8 seconds. It consumes one life orb, making it a valuable tool for enhancing her team's offensive capabilities. Natural Anger. This ability allows her to consume life orbs to grant herself a 12% damage boost for 8 seconds. It is an instant cast ability with 4 charges and a cooldown of 3 seconds per life orb. This makes it a valuable tool for enhancing her own offensive capabilities. Healing Flower. This ability allows her to place a heal over time effect on her targeted ally that lasts for 8 seconds. Upon casting, the target also gains an instant heal of 55 health. This ability consumes one life orb and provides 2 types of healing effects, one-time healing and healing over time. Mantis has a passive ability called Nature's Favor. This ability provides her with a 40% increased movement speed whenever she is not damaged for 3 seconds. Additionally, whenever Mantis consumes life orbs, she gains a self-heal over time effect that heals 12.5 health per second for 8 seconds. Mantis has a team-up ability called Nature's Soul. When paired with Adam Warlock, this ability grants Mantis the power of Cocooned Revival. After dying, Mantis will turn into a golden cocoon, which she can move in a slow form of free flight. Players have a short period of time to reposition the cocoon and decide whether to revive themselves. If the player does not choose to revive or the timer runs out, the ability will not count as being used. The cocoon can be cancelled early without activating the ability's cooldown. People often mistake empathy for weakness. Mantis always knows exactly how you're feeling, thanks to her strong empathic powers. Her alien ability to alter the emotions of others proves invaluable on the battlefield. However, Mantis finds true happiness only when she is with her fellow Guardians of the Galaxy.
mutant kind!
They don't look friendly. It pleases me to be helpful. Almost there! Don't turn back now! My friends are here!
Mantis's core gameplay centers around her life orb mechanic, which powers her healing and buffing abilities. She can hold up to 4 life orbs at a time, with one regenerating every 3 seconds.
Hell unleashed!
We are undefeatable! I'm wounded. Who will help?
Fucking hurt!
Disappear! I'm wounded. Who will help? Shake it up! Our enemies are here! This is we are undefeatable!
Behold!
Let me help! You don't have to fight alone! Now I'm confident. Shake it up! Let us save the great tree! Our enemies are here! Help, friends! I'm gonna get you needed some help, didn't you? Help is here! That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way! We are undefeatable! Let me help!
A shield! How great!
You don't have to fight alone!
Hurricane incoming!
My friends are here!
Join Mantis in Marvel Rivals. Master her abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of empathy and life energy.
Help!